Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to measure angle. So for example, you can create new design and I will create simple sketch with the line tool like this. Now you can use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to measure angles in this part, you can go to detail and then click dimension tools. For the plane, I will select in this top plane. And then to measure like this angle, you can select these two edge. It will be automatically measure the angle. Okay, I will click again this edge with this edge. Now you can click to apply the angle. Another I will create again at this corner. You can click and then click the edge to measure the angle. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to measure angle. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.